Hey peeps, how are you? I hope you are doing well. There were a lot of people who are asking about how to prepare for AFSB or SSB. So I thought of rather than replying them, make another video of it and let you know that how to prepare. Though I have not been recommended, but I know a lot of students, lot of cadets and a lot of candidates who are recommended and are serving for the Air Force Army also. एंड आई एम एन आर्मी ब्राड सो द लास्ट पोस्टिंग मेरे पापा को जो थी वो थी मऊ में. सो MHOW मऊ, विच इफ़ यू आर एन डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट और आर्मी एस्पिरेंट यू शुड नो अबाउट मऊ बिकॉज MHOW स्टैंड्स फॉर मिलिट्री हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ वॉर. सो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे देर वर अ लॉट ऑफ वायोज मीन्स यंग ऑफिसर्स who were there and I have been with them and I know how their lifestyles are. So I wanted to discuss some traits which are important and necessary for being recommended. So let us go. सबसे पहले यार SSB is an institution in which the assessors are there to recommend you and not to conference out you. ठीक है, but recommendation has a lot of criteria to be check marked and the criteria are still unaware. ठीक है, कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन, कोई भी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन या कोई भी कैंडिडेट ये नहीं बता सकता कि दीज आर द पैरामीटर्स थ्रू विच यू आर रिकमेंडेड. सो देयर आर सम पैरामीटर्स थ्रू विच यू कैन नो योर सेल्फ दैट येस these are the traits which I need to work upon. So there are some things which I will be discussing, there are some points which I will be telling you and based on that points I will be telling you that how to prepare, how to approach SSB. ठीक है, then SSB, there are a lot of myth about SSB. SSB is not a test. ठीक है, it's a evaluation of your personality, your character, and personality and character are something which you cannot study in 1 month or 2 months. It's a inbuilt, it's the traits which you inherit from your lifestyle. Alright, and they are there, the assessors are there to judge that, not the fake personality which you try to pretend over there. So do not fake it. So मैं बाद में बताऊँगा, ठीक है. So if you have not watched the video of my personal experience, then do watch it एंड लिंक कार्ड में दे दूंगा मैं, ठीक है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. तो सबसे पहला जो है, यू नीड टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट SSB, एवरी फ्रिकिंग थिंग अबाउट SSB. ठीक है, यू शुड बी नोइंग लाइक फ्रॉम डे 1 टू डे लास्ट क्या क्या होता है, कैसे कैसे होता है. ठीक है, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ अनप्रिपेयर्ड ओवर देयर. ठीक है, यू शुड नॉट गो लाइक दिस because it's an institution which has a reputation. You are going unaware of the things which are going on there. It do not look good. ठीक है, know about what all things happens. Watch everyone else's video, how their experiences वो मेरा भी देखो and दूसरे लोगों का भी देखो. Watch their experience. You will definitely learn a lot of things over there. Second was the OLQ. You need to know every OLQ. ठीक है, OLQ कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है वो आप मैं स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहा हूँ. OLQ, नो अबाउट OLQs. OLQs आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑफिसर्स लाइक क्वालिटीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दीज आर द पैरामीटर थ्रू विच यू आर बीइंग जज्ड ओवर देयर. ऑलराइट, सो नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट एंड ट्राई टू अप्लाई अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. योर लाइफ यू नीड टू लिव लाइक एन ऑफिसर टू बी लाइक एन ऑफिसर. ऑलराइट, एंड द थर्ड वन इज नो अबाउट योर सेल्फ. इट्स लाइक द प्रोबेबली द बेस्ट and the most important point would be you should know about yourself. Believe me guys, you might think that you know about yourself. Trust me, you don't. You have to know about yourself and write down what you are, what your positive points are, what you have achieved, what your weaknesses are, how are you overcoming it. ठीक है, राइट डाउन, मेंटेन अ सेपरेट नोटबुक फॉर AFSB और SSB. ऑलराइट, मेंटेन अ सेपरेट नोटबुक एंड राइट डाउन, लिखो वहाँ पर उसको. ठीक है, इट्स लाइक देयर शुड बी समथिंग विच इज़ रिटन ओवर देयर एंड यू हैव टू रीड इट एवरी डे बिकॉज फॉर माई एक्सपीरियंस आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वालिटीज विच आई हैव फेल्ड टू एक्सप्रेस इन माई इंटरव्यू. Those were the qualities which I wanted to. Those were the qualities through which I want myself to be judged. But I was unable to tell that. ठीक है, so you need to know everything about yourself, your weaknesses and strength. ठीक है. So it's the very good trait. How are you going to impress them? To tell them that these are the qualities which I have, that is what they are going to judge you, right? If you are unable to express what you have good qualities, then how are they going to judge you? All right, there's a big question mark over there. So you need not to do that. So write in a notebook, maintain a separate notebook and write your qualities, and make sure that has to be present in your interview. All right. And the fourth one is, you need to be good in communication, or you need to be a good orator. ठीक है. Communication plays an important role because armed forces की language जो है वो English है. English is the armed forces language. You need to be good in communication, and that too in English. All right. So if you are not good in communication, God forbid, no one can recommend you. मेजर जनरल भाकुनी ने कहा था, ठीक है, उनके श्योर शॉट अकेडमी से. आई फॉलो हिम रिगरसली, सो ही इज़ माई आइडल. सो सर ने एक ही बात कही थी, इवन गॉड कैन नॉट सेव यू इफ यू डू नॉट नो इंग्लिश. ऑलराइट, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नाउ. इफ यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर प्रेजेंट, द फ्यूचर विल नॉट चेंज फॉर यू. Alright, start from now, start talking in English. I am planning to make another video for this also. If you want it, you can comment in the comment box also. ठीक है. Read good books, English books. Let it be a small children's वाली story book. ठीक है, 2nd, 3rd, 4th क्लास की. I still like to read a small story book जो 1.5 पेज की होती है. ठीक है. Start reading books, start reading SSB की books, और start watching videos in English with subtitle. ठीक है. If you are uncomfortable, start watching TV series which is in English. ठीक है. So start talking, conversing with your friends in English. So all these qualities which you have to inherit in yourself so as to change your future. All right. If you cannot change your present, why would your future change it for yourself? All right. There's a question mark over there, right? So that was the thing. I just want to share an instance. 10th class, I didn't know how to speak a single sentence in English. I was so bad at English. 12th class, I got the best teachers award from my school, and I gave a speech on what teacher plays an important role in a student's life in front of the whole freaking school, in front of the commandant of Mao. ठीक है. बात दिल पे लगनी चाहिए कि आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. Then only you are going to develop yourself. All right. English has to be must. Okay. And you should be a good orator also. If you have the stage fear, or if you are nervous while talking to group, then you have to change it. Then you must have to change it, bro. You need not to do that. All right. You are choosing a forces, you are choosing a profession where you have to lead by an example, and you are afraid of talking in front of group. Don't contradict yourself. All right. The next one is being physically fit. फिजिकली फिट यार, ये एक एस्पेक्ट को बहुत सारे लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट बिकॉज आर्म फोर्सेज इज वॉट, दे विल ब्रेक यू मेंटली एज वेल एज फिजिकली. सो यू नीड टू बी फिजिकली फिट. ठीक है. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू नीड टू बी आर्नल्ड. ठीक है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू नीड टू बी जॉन अब्राहम. I am just saying that you need to be physically fit. Alright, 3 kilometers of jog every day, 10 pull-ups, 10 push-ups. That's the whole thing which you want every day. That's it. काम खत्म यार. Being physically fit is the most important aspect in your life. It has to be. I still, no matter what the schedule is, I still work out. I'll try to make another video of it if you want it. Okay? So I still work out. There is no need for me, but I still do. So I have a keen interest over that. So I do it. Okay? So start developing habit of that also, which is going to help in your SSB also, in your academy also. Alright? The next one is general awareness. The general awareness is very important because this is something which is being included in the OLQ also, and also in your SSB. General awareness is being checked. You need to update yourself on a regular basis that what all things are happening around the world. Alright, so please do read newspaper, और do, आजकल सब मोबाइल फ़ोन पे, तो watch some of the news, good news, and keep yourself updated. Alright, so these are some of the points I want you to take it down. Alright, watch the video fully or repeat में देखो, ठीक है, so that until unless you should not get into your mind, and then try to change your present so as to change your future. Because until and unless you don't change your present, past is gone, it's done and dusted now. Until and unless you don't change your present, the future won't change. Alright, so I hope that you like the video. लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना यार, ठीक है. सो आई विल मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विथ अनदर टॉपिक विच विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एंड अगेन द कोविड चल रहा है अभी भी. स्टे सेफ. बाय बाय.